Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make cucumber serum and mist. Some of us who lives in a very cold region, we know the effects of dry winds, winter dry winds. It affects our skin. And some of us that doesn't wear makeup, I will advise us to please clean our face before we go to bed. Moisturize it. This is one of the moisturizers you want to use. And some of us that apply makeup is a task that must be done. If you have the time to apply your makeup, you must have the time to remove the makeup, apply your moisturizer. We need to get our skin glowing, whether during the winter time or any time for that matter. I want to welcome our new subscribers. Welcome to the family. This is a family channel, and to all our subscribers, thank you for your continued support. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video. And this is the start of our tutorial today, cucumber. Please buy organic. Organic is cheap now. And I'm just going, you can Google for more about the benefits of cucumber. Cucumber treats sunburn and irritated skin, remove dark circle and puffiness under the eyes, tone the skin, deeply moisturize skin, fights anti-aging. And I'm going to put also our extract and essential oil. Also, I'm going to put aloe vera gel. This is Ginseng aloe vera gel. It's really good. This is one the best aloe vera gel I've bought so far. And vitamin E oil, whether you have liquid or gel. And I've already cut the cucumber and I chop it really good. That would be really good, very easy to blend. And the next step, I'm going to blend it and just put it in the blender and just blend it. You don't need to apply water. And this gel is only good for 2 weeks or less. When it started to look funky, you know that it's time to toss it out. And the next step, I'm going to strain it. I'm going to use cheesecloth and a strainer. If it's too chunky, use the spoon and just press it because we want all the juice out. So the serum is good for 2 weeks because we didn't preserve it. It's all natural. And make sure you keep it in a refrigerator. So the next step, I'm going to measure 3 tablespoons of aloe vera juice, cucumber juice, not aloe vera, cucumber juice. And I'm going to apply 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Actually, I apply 3, but I do it one at a time. And then this stage, you need to mix it really good. Mix it really good. And by the time you apply the third teaspoon, it will be ready. This is it right here. You see that? This is our serum. It's really good. And when you apply it, it's going to refreshen your skin. Then the next step, I'm going to put all the extract. Ginseng, green tea, and aloe vera extract. I put all those 3 about just a little tiny, about 1 centimeter of each. I use the dropper for each. Then the next one, I'm going to apply the essential oil. I'm going to apply lavender, 3 drops of lavender, and frankincense also. I make a little, like I say, because it's going to last for about a week. I mean, a week or 2 weeks also. And I'm going to apply the vitamin E oil. You can poke, if you don't have the serum, you can poke the gel like that. And then just mix it. Mix it. And then the next step, you just transfer it to a clean jar. And this one stay in a refrigerator. It doesn't matter whether you live in a hot region, whether you live in a cold region. And the rest, I'm just going to pour the juice. And this is I use it morning and evening. After washing up and everything, in a clean face, you spray the mist and then you apply the serum. And this is my face right here. You don't need to apply much makeup. Just a little bit goes a long way. Please don't forget to refrigerate your serum. And I will see you guys on the next video. Love you guys.